Hello there, I want to show you something, a new feature that I've added to Empty Space PC, and it's volumetric clouds. It's not the volumetric clouds that we have on the surface. These are the volumetric fog actually that look like a cloud because they have an animation inside of them. It's not that. I'm going to be talking about the clouds, actual clouds on the sky, which have animations and everything. It's actually a shader that Epic Games have added some years ago to Unreal Engine 4.26, I guess. I can't remember exactly. But yeah, this is a new feature, and right now I'm going to show you how to create it. It's pretty easy. You don't need to create any shaders or anything like that. Just come in here and type in volumetric cloud, this one, and drag it into the scene. And then when you select it, come all the way down, you have a material. It's actually the shader that everything's happening inside it, and you can make it bigger. There are some variables that you can change, or scale a parameter actually, that you can change and change the actual look of the shader, of the ray marching effect here that present the cloud. So global cloud, global scale is something that you can change, that represents the scale of the clouds, as you can see. The cloud global coverage, as the name suggests, is about the coverage of the sky. You can have something that's completely cloudy or something else, or something sunny, completely sunny with a little bit clouds on the sky. And if you come all the way down, you have the cloud global density, which changes the density of the clouds that actually affect the sun as well. So that's pretty important. If the density is higher, the sun won't get through them because they're actual clouds. And if the density is not as high, the sun will actually, if the sun gets behind the cloud, it can actually, the rays can get through the cloud. And you have the storm clouds, which, as you can see, directly affects the lighting as well. And you can change the texture scale as well. And if you go into the direct directional light, you can have the cast cloud shadows on or off. So if it's off by default because it costs something. If it's turned off, there will be no shadows if the sun's behind the clouds. But if it's on, you will have shadows and everything. Fog will be, if the directional light is affecting the fog will be lower and non-existent if nothing's. So right now it's behind the shadows. It's behind the clouds. So if this is off, everything will get through. But if this is on, nothing will get through because the sun's behind the clouds. So that's something that you need to have in mind. That's pretty important. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple. It's already made by Epic Games, and we just have to know how to use it. That's all. Have a great day. Bye.